So I actually use my Vimeo Plus account with 2 other websites. So I'm going to start, let's start with filmfreeway.com. So this, my Vimeo Plus account is automatically linked to my Film Freeway account. So there are 2 major websites that if you're a budding filmmaker or not so budding filmmaker or animator, that you should become familiar with. They are withoutabox.com, which I'll show you in a moment, and filmfreeway.com. What makes these websites so wonderful? Well, this is actually my page. So when I submit a film for consideration to an international film festival, the judges will come to this page, and it's password protected. I've already put the password in, so it enables me to watch it. But then if you scroll down, you'll see here's my 15-second teaser. Now that's actually connected to my YouTube account. So filmfreeway.com accepts YouTube and Vimeo videos that you can automatically put on your page. Basically, I have the overview of the movie, and all easily in one place for the judges are my credits, the specifications, and screenings and awards. So all the places that it's screened today, awards, etc., etc., etc. And then if I scroll down, there's my director biography with the handy little photo, a director's statement for those who are so interested, social media buttons, etc. It also gives me options to put production photos as well as my trailer, my website, and then any mentions or news and reviews, other attachments and things that I may wish to add. So I actually like Film Freeway a lot because they're one of the newer websites, but what I liked the best about it is that my preview movie that the judges were going to see are as high of a quality as what I put up on Vimeo, which is HD, very high quality. Now, let's talk about withoutabox.com because they were the very first website of their kind. Now, I'm just taking you to my page that judges would see, but unfortunately, and they may have changed things since then, this was 2014. The thing I didn't like about Without a Box is that when you put your preview video on here, they actually compressed it, and the quality is not as good as on Vimeo or in Film Freeway. So judges would be watching my film, and if they were watching my film and trying to decide about choosing my film over someone else's, and they were submitting the very highest quality, it would put my film at a disadvantage. But again, just like with Film Freeway, you get a page, and you see I have actually multiple projects on here, and just like Film Freeway, it gives the summary, the videos, the press kit, and screenings. You see I didn't update my screenings. It doesn't show as many as on Film Freeway. But these are my submission videos, my director's statement, resumes, etc. And more about the musical composer, etc., etc. One nice thing, though, about Without a Box compared to Film Freeway is they're automatically tied together with IMDb. Okay, so I've gone to IMDb, which is the big website for filmmakers. It's the one where you're going to find the big Hollywood blockbusters as well as the independent features and independent film production people. Because I have had my videos and animations accepted in particular film festivals, it automatically enabled me through withoutabox.com to get an IMDb profile. Now, as you can see, I've been horrible about doing anything with this page, and which is kind of a shame actually, because they do get a lot of traffic. So one of these days I should go back in here and actually update my profile on IMDb. But anyway, you can see that I have a couple of projects listed on here, certainly not all my projects. And if I click on This Too Shall Pass, you'll see this horrible stub-looking page that doesn't really have too much on it, but it just has some of the information pulled from withoutabox.com. Anyway, so one definite advantage to using withoutabox.com is its immediate tie with IMDb. Otherwise, especially if you're a student, a recent film graduate, or a brand new filmmaker or new animator, I recommend Film Freeway, because if you go to their main site, you will see that you have the ability to browse film festivals, and every film festival that you enter has a fee usually, but you have all different categories. You can search by entry fee, so you can search just the free ones or the ones that are very inexpensive. They have special categories just for documentaries, horror, sci-fi, etc. They also have the ones that qualify you for the Academy Awards. We can dream, right? So those are the big, so here you go, Academy Award qualifying festivals. I actually got into one with my animation Larry and Roz not too long ago. Anyway, so that's Film Freeway. And of course, the other thing with Without a Box is you can do the exact same thing. You click on it, and then you can search all of the different festivals. So Without a Box was the big industry leader. Then Film Freeway came along and gave filmmakers that higher quality submission option for judges, and they kind of turned things upside down for Without a Box. So at the moment, I think Without a Box is trying to fight back. I see that they've redone their website, and they probably have new features. So that is the rundown on private videos and also filmmaker websites for filmmakers. I hope you found this helpful, and if there's something else that you would like to know that I didn't cover, just start a new discussion, and I'll be happy to answer your questions. Take care and see you in the next lesson.